Art with Miss Co.
Hey guys, Miss Co here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this spooky Halloween inspired drawing. If you want to check it out, then keep on watching. Materials you need: paper, Sharpie, and something to color with. I'll be using marker. Let's get started. The very first thing we're going to get started with is going to be a jack-o'-lantern. We want to start off by making a C shape on our paper. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side except reversed. Connect those points. And now time to make the face. I'm going to be using some triangles to make my jack-o'-lantern's eyes, as well as a little bit of a bigger triangle for the nose. And for the mouth, I'm going to make this bumpy line that has 3 bumps. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom, except it's going to be going in between the spaces at the top. I'm going to make a squiggly shape for the stem. I'm going to go ahead and make 2 lines connecting down to the pumpkin, and make some lines to make the stem. Next, I'm going to draw a straight line going down my jack-o'-lantern's face. This is going to be the ridges for our pumpkin. And as I do the left-hand side, I'm going to make another curved line, except it's going to be less curved than the original line we made. Repeat on the right. I'm going to do this one more time. And last, I'm going to make some lines to add some texture to my jack-o'-lantern. And I'm just doing this randomly. Next, we're going to make a ghost, and I'm going to start off by making a rainbow line. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to make 2 candy canes on the side, connected to the rainbow. A curved line going down on each side, and then a wavy line to connect. For the face, I'm going to be using some circles to make the eyes, and a circle for the mouth. You're welcome to do whatever you would like for your ghost. And I'm going to add some lines going down to look like wrinkles. I'm going to make a bat this time. I'm going to start off by making an M. I'm going to make a curved line going from the left-hand side, connecting to the M. P on the right-hand side. I'm going to make another curved line, except this time it's going down. I'm going to make a wavy scallop line, and I'm going to connect it all the way to each point of the wings. Now time for an eyeball. I'm going to start off with a circle, and another circle inside of that circle, and then inside of that circle, a tiny little black dot. I'm going to make some lines for the inside of the eye so that I could color it later and it looks more realistic. And I'm also going to lightly with some zigzag lines to make the eye vessels. This way it looks extra spooky. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and start drawing a crystal. I'm going to start off with a triangle, and then connect it with another triangle. Make a mini diamond inside, and then I'm going to connect all the corners. If you want to see a video on how to make all the crystals, I have another video down below. This time I'm going to be making a skull. For the skull, I'm going to start off with doing another rainbow line, except this time it's going to be a little bit more curved. Once I'm done with that, I'll make some scallop lines to connect each of the points. This is going to be the skull's mouth. And for the eyes, I'm going to be using these squiggly circles. For the nose, I'll be using an upside down heart. And there we have our skull. I'm going to make some cracks in my skull so it looks extra old and creepy. And I'm also going to make another little line on the side of the eyes and the nose to make it look hollow. Right above that, we're going to go ahead and make a bone. I'm going to start with a backwards 3, make a line. Once you have your lines, you're going to make a 3 and you're going to connect them all. I'm also going to make some candy corn. All you need to do is make a rounded triangle and add 3 stripes. Now it's time for us to go ahead and make our witch's hat. I'm going to start off with a triangle points. Repeat it on the other side. Now I'm going to make some zigzag lines. And I'm going to repeat on the other side once again. Except this time on the bottom, I'm going to make sure to go out. I'm going to make a curved line to connect the 2 points. I'm going to make a big round circle shape to be the brim of the hat. Another curved line on the hat. This is going to be the ribbon. I'm going to make another little crystal right here. I'm going to start with a trapezoid. Once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and make a triangle. Now inside the trapezoid, I'm going to make a W starting at the corners. And once I have that, I'm going to have the lines going down from the 2 points of the W. Over here, let's make another bone. I'm going to start with my backwards 3 again. Except this time my bone's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to make a line that's a bit curved at the end. I'm going to make that 3 and connect it to that line I just made. And this time I'm going to make a smile line, and I'm going to go ahead and connect that to each point. Once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and make an upside down D inside. And I'm going to add some lines to add some more texture. Oops, forgot to do that to the other bone. Let's make a spider web. I'm going to start off by first making some scalped wavy lines. I'm going to do another set inside. Another one. And I'm trying to make sure that all the points are lined up. Once you have that done, we're going to make a straight line going down from each point, and it's going to connect to the other points on the outside. Do the same thing over again. I'm going to make a long line going down from the spider web. This is going to be my spider. I'm going to start off with a big circle and a little circle. And then I'm going to make 8 pairs of legs. I'm going to make a stack of jack-o'-lanterns this time. I'm going to start off with the smallest pumpkin at the top. The second, I'm going to do the medium one. And third, I'm going to do the largest pumpkin at the bottom. And you guys could do any kind of faces you want. I'm just using some more triangles to make the eyes and the nose. This time I'm going to give my jack-o'-lantern some vampire teeth. The bottom one, I'll give some round eyes, a triangle nose, and a big smile. Don't forget the stem. And remember guys, you're only going to see the stem for the top pumpkin. Make my lines and ridges going down my pumpkin, just like I did before. Repeat to the other ones as well. I'm going to make a melting candle. I'm going to start off with an oval, except I'm not going to connect the bottom. And then I'm going to make these drippy lines. Once you have that, we're going to go ahead and make some lines going all the way down. Once you have that, make a curved line to connect the 2 lines. And I'm going to add some extra drips alongside the bottom of the candle. Add a straight line for the wick. And a wavy little flame shape for the fire. I'm going to add another crystal. This time I'm going to start off with a triangle shape. Make 2 long lines. And then another triangle shape at the bottom. Make the mini shape inside. And connect the corners. Some more candy corn. Last but not least, we're going to make a V sign that says boo. I'm going to start off with a candy cane and then a 3. I'm going to leave the bottom empty, and I'm going to go ahead and do these drippy lines once again. This time I'm going to make my O, except I'm going to leave the bottom open once again. Make the drippy lines. Repeat one more time. Last but not least, we don't want to forget our exclamation point. I'm just going to make a regular one in bubble letters, except it's going to be a little bit wavy. I'm going to make the smaller circles inside of each of my letters. And now we have a creepy boo. I'm going to be filling up my paper with some other shapes, like some ghosts. I might do a lollipop, and I'm just going to do that by making a curved rectangle. And then I'm going to add a rainbow line at the very top. And a smile at the bottom. Don't forget the stem of the lollipop. I'm going to add some stars, and all I need to do for this is make 4 lines and some circles. And I'm just spreading this out randomly on my paper to fill up the extra space I have. And at the very top, I'm going to make this drippy line going all the way down to make my paper look extra creepy. Let's color. All finished. And there you have it, your very own spooky Halloween inspired drawing. I hope you guys had so much fun with this, and I know Halloween is one of my favorite holidays to celebrate, and I hope you guys enjoy yours. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.